Hello and welcome back to Geraldine Asoze's YouTube channel. If you're just joining us for the first time today, you're welcome. This channel is all about natural skincare tutorials and lifestyle. So do well to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell as well, so you always get to know once I have new content. Today we'll be making a watermelon, pineapple and ginger juice. I chose watermelon because watermelon is of the beta carotene family. It is rich in lycopene, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant activities in the human body. Pineapple contains bromelain, that is a phytonutrient. It has the ability to help reduce inflammation, while ginger reduces inflammation as well as nausea, pain, and provides heartburn relief. So you see, it is a combination of ingredients that are rich in antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory properties. So let's get right into the preparation. So for the pineapple, you remove the core completely. Then the dice. Into smaller chunks. The quantity to use depends on you. Depends on what you're trying to achieve. Then for the watermelon, I remove the back. Ordinarily, I consume the back because it also has enough of its nutrients. But because we're making a juice, so I won't be making use of the back today. And I also chop into pieces that can be easily blended. For the seed of the watermelon will also be blended. I'm not removing them. Now, here our ginger, our ginger. I already peeled off the back and rinsed in water. So I'm just going to dice it as well into smaller pieces. Like I said earlier, the amount of ginger you make use of depends on what you can take and what you're trying to achieve. Some people might go with more quantity of ginger than what I've used. It all depends on you. So I'm done. So everything goes into the blender. Here you are. This is the blended juice with all the nutrients intact. I've not filtered it. If we were making a smoothie, you can go ahead to drink that way, but since it's a juice, so it needs to be sieved off. So I'll go do that. Here we are. Our juice is all ready. You can take it like this after sieving off the chaff. When you're done with blending, you either drink it this way, or you refrigerate, or better still, you could even freeze up in your freezer trays, then use as cubes whenever you need them. It's a glass of goodness. This juice is awesome for the skin because of the pineapple and watermelon content. They are both awesome foods you can rely on when you have acne breakouts on your skin, or if your skin is acne prone or oily. Watermelon and pineapple are very good. Then it's also good health wise because of the ginger content, to help control nauseous feelings, like you want to throw up, it will help you. And it's very good for the stomach. And the amount of ginger is just enough. It's not hot and it's not plain as well. So I just love the tinge of ginger, not to make it very spicy. That's for those that might have issues internally, like ulcer. You might not need to take much. So that's why I made it very slight, So let me go enjoy my glass of goodness. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sure you got so much value. Do give this video a thumbs up and share to those you think will need it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell as well, so you'll be the first to know whenever I have new content. Are you struggling with acne? Have you lost your self-esteem as a result of hyperpigmentation left on your skin by acne? Is this so bad that you can hardly go out without covering up with makeup? I have just what you need. My book, The Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne, helps you understand the intricacies of acne, the different types of acne, how they are developed, what predisposes your skin to having acne, foods you can rely on to help you have a clear skin, foods you should stay away from if your skin is acne prone, the basics of a regimen you're supposed to engage in to treat acne and have a beautiful skin, how your skin fares in different seasons and climates, and how you can go from an acne-ridden skin to a flawless complexion. If you're interested in getting the Acne Handbook, a guide to getting rid of acne, click on the link in the description of this video. The link is also on the screen of this video as well. Click on it, then to take you to where you can place your order for the Acne Handbook. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, share the video as well, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell so you always get to know once I have new content. Thank you. See you in my next video. Cheers.